Chris with Rowe Dental Laboratory, and we are here at 3D Dentist's nonprofit center called Smile 3D. And we're here for a full arch course called Full Arch Express. It's a new course from 3D Dentists, and it's covering a whole gamut of full arch, from fixed full arch to removable, the overdenture protocols as well. It's a week-long course. It's a new one they added, and it's amazing. The best part about this course is the last 2 days, Thursday and Friday, the doctors that attend this course, they get to do surgery here at the center in Raleigh. So they'll be overseen, but today by Dr. Sullivan, T-Bone, and then Dr. Jock. So they're kind of overseeing the surgeries, but the attendees get to place the implants. They get to do full arch cases using our Chrome GuidedSMILE and then our GuidedSMILE Lite as well. So kind of both systems are going to get a hands-on experience with. And then that's on Thursday, and then Friday they're doing overdenture cases as well. So you hear T-Bone in the background. He's very excited for this day. Again, everyone that comes, they get to place implants. So let's take a look at what we got going on here in the nonprofit. All right, so here we are. This is the first operatory, and again, there's going to be 2 surgeries going on where the doctors are placing in the morning, and then in the afternoon we're going to have 2 more surgeries. Again, all fully guided with the patented Chrome GuidedSMILE system. So in this operatory, we're kind of getting everything, we have a pre-surgical briefing, making sure everything's checking out correctly. And we're going to mosey on over here. So in this room, we are doing our plastic stackable guide called GuidedSMILE Lite. Just a different option. You can see kind of everything's laid out here. Here's our GuidedSMILE Lite. It's bulkier, not as good of visualization or irrigation with it compared to the metal, but still a great option. Just depending on kind of the patient and the turnaround times there. We have our surgery mat all ready to go and everything laid out. And then we are replacing BioHorizons today, and they are a great partner of 3D Dentists. We love working with them. BioHorizons reps here. They're always here at these courses, so they're again great partner with 3D Dentists and very knowledgeable reps. So a nice experience for everyone having them here at the courses. Now in this operatory, this is our metal guide, and we're going to take a look at that as well. So this will be second surgery of the morning. And again, it's Dr. Jock doing a debrief, or a pre-brief, I should call it.
Crest, I want you to go in and score the periosteum, infiltrate, like we were talking about. You should feel a lot of reverse pressure, and you should see the tissue blanch.
So here we have our metal stackable guides. Compared to the plastic, it's obviously a lot more stronger, better irrigation. You can full visualization as well, kind of watch the entire process of your implant going in. So it's a great system.
Hydraulic pressure. And that will give you hemostasis. It will also make you flexible.
And then another nice thing that the doctors get to do at this course is they're going to do your standard pickup of your immediate load prosthesis. Your first pickup with the temp cylinders, and then the rapid appliance duplicate pickup. And then they're also going to do a digital workflow with grammetry with the OptiSPLINT, and then they also learn the digital workflow with photogrammetry. So they learn all of this course. It's a very, very unique course, again, because the doctors get to place implants and do their full arch surgeries, being overseen by very experienced doctors, and Dr. Sully, Dr. Jock, and T-Bone. So thanks everyone. Look forward to everyone attending these courses. Again, it's a great course, a great group with 3D Dentists, and let's go do some surgeries.